Ho, ho, ho! Hello, Brushy Squad! Today, I've arrived at Santa's workshop. It's time for everybody's tooth checkup. Are you ready? Let's go! Whoa! Wait, what's going on here? It looks like you chewed on a bunch of snowballs.
Dr. Brushy, it's a disaster. Santa's cookie recipe went all wrong, and now our teeth are in trouble.
Oh no! It sounds like a full-blown cookie catastrophe! But don't worry, Brushy Squad. We'll find out what happened together and fix everyone's smile along the way. Woohoo! Come on and let's start this investigation! Help me gather all the clues so we can work together to solve the mystery of who caused the cookie catastrophe. Whoa! Yikes! Your teeth look like a crazy puzzle! What happened?
I was taste testing Santa's candy cane cookies, but I think it was too hard.
It's time to fix that smile! Brushy Squad, can you help me match the missing shapes?
Yeah!
Let's go! What shape goes there? Is it a gingerbread man? How about a snowflake? No! A what? Yeah! It's a candy cane! Woohoo! We did it!
I forgot to give you this.
Whoa! Clue number 1. Let's save this so we can solve the mystery. On to the next location. Whoa! Oh no! This elf's mouth has been glued shut with sticky caramel. How awful! Let's unstick this problem together. You ready to follow along? Let's grab your brush and clean up this sticky mess. Whoa! Magic toothbrush. Ha-ha! We did it!
I can talk again. I was tasting the caramel batch. It was super sticky.
A caramel trail with cookie crumbs? Let's continue this mystery. Whoa! Ooh, yikes! This elf's tooth is piping red H-O-T, hot!
I tried one of Santa's fizzy chocolate buttons. It made my teeth feel tingly.
We can fix that with the Bubble Blaster. Are you ready, Brushy Squad? Say Bubble Blast with me on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Bubble Blast! Oh, that's a lot of bubbles. Nice! Looks good.
That's so much better. And I saw Santa near the mixing bowl last night.
We're getting close. I feel it. Let's go! Whoa. What's wrong there?
I can't brush my teeth. I lost my toothbrush.
You lost your toothbrush? What happened to it? It's time to be a toothbrush detective. Can you help me figure out which present the toothbrush is hiding in? Ooh, is it in the middle, the left, or the right? The what? The right? Let's open it up. Woo! Yes, we found the toothbrush. Woohoo! Here you go. Wait, why is there cookie crumbs all over it?
Oh, yes. I also use these to clean Santa's cookie trays.
Wait a second. You don't think Santa's behind all this? Santa, you're the sweet tooth suspect.
Oh, sorry, Dr. Brushy. I just wanted to make magic smile cookies for everyone.
That's okay, Santa. Eating magical cookies just means extra brushing time.
Let's make things right.
Hey, nice outfit.
Ha ha, you too.
Thank you. Everybody, grab your toothbrushes and follow along.
It's the holiday.
Brush, 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 brush.
It's the holiday.
Brush, 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 brush.
It's the holiday.
Brush, 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 brush.
It's the Christmas day.
Brush, 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 brush.
It's the holiday.
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 Brush, 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 brush.
I'm Dr. Brushy. Brush morning and night and have a Merry Brushmas. Subscribe to make brushing fun. Bye.